Check 1, 2, checking the sound. Hey, what is going on, guys? What is going on? Checking the sound. Everyone, let me know if everything looks good, sounds good. I know you're looking good and sounding good. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Dano Crypto. Welcome to today's live stream. On this channel, we show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. Make yourselves known in the chat. Make sure you are doing the housekeeping, which is hitting the like button, dinging the bell to be notified, and also subscribing, of course. If you are new to the channel, we do these live streams Monday through Friday, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we also post content throughout the week as well. So make sure you guys are dinging that bell and joining this community. You can also go deeper into the community by just joining into the Discord. But the only thing we ask you guys to do is if you want to get into the Discord, make sure you go to the verify section first. You sign up with our major 3 affiliate links that we love. We love partnering with these guys. And these are exchanges that we like to use for all sorts of different reasons for their services, customer support, and all that stuff. And so we've tested a lot of things, guys, and we know what works. We know what is the best. And so this is the best of the best right here. So make sure you guys are doing that before you get all into the full dojo crew. All right, so let's kind of go into a little market overview real quick. But first, I want to teaser you guys that I am going to be releasing a crypto beginners course. So on this crypto beginners course, it is basically just going to hold someone's hand through the process of kind of learning about Bitcoin, what blockchain is, how to set up a wallet, how to set up a centralized exchange and an exchange account, how to send from one address to the next, how to put in a spot buy, like just, how to do how to DCA, dollar cost average, kind of just like all of the basics to start a crypto portfolio or a crypto journey, and just have something that they can go to as a reminder course and a resource. And I think it's really useful for people that are maybe in the older demographic that would love to actually pay for something and not just say, hey, this is, I'm just going to go on YouTube, but it's like that might not be the thing for a certain group of people. So I want to have an option for someone to have a nice laid out course. It's got video content in there. It's got, it'll have hours of video content, resources, links, pictures, images, all the things that is part of what is, just a basic crypto beginners course. And this thing will always evolve. This is obviously, it's the starting point. So from where it is now, it will go pretty far. So just look out for that, guys. This thing is going to be released in January. I'm not fully done with it yet, but we're really close. So we just want to make you guys aware of this. And if you want to direct your family members towards this website, danocrypto.com, that would be a really cool, maybe a cool gift you guys can give someone, is this course. So, and you'll know first. So you guys will know first whenever this is released. All right, so let's check out the overall crypto market. So today we had Pepe pumping 19% because of the bullish news of Elon Musk has already, guys, if you've been watching this channel, if you've been watching Elon, he has been posting about Pepe. Now, it's not specifically about the token, obviously. He's not posting specifically about the token, but if you're going to rate what is the highest market cap token of any Pepe token, is the Pepe ERC20, which is the one that has a $8.7 billion market cap right now. It has a $71 million in liquidity, and we're just very, very curious as to why Elon, he changed his name to Kekius Maximus, changed his profile picture to a Pepe in the gladiator armor. And so this is signifying, I think, that Pepe is going to be the, like, almost Doge of this cycle. And we're going to go into some of the charts. We're going to go into why we think this is a thing. And it's going to have a lot of people doing this. It's like, I think Pepe is going to have a lot of people
more money than this.
looking like this. By the end of this bull run, if you don't have Pepe, you will look like Ben Armstrong after the Ansem fight. It's just what it's what's going to happen to you. I don't want that to happen to you. Headband said, I hope you bought Griffin. No, not yet. I'm going to buy some. I don't have very much dry powder on the side. That's like the classic meme. Like everyone's that's like, did you buy? It's like, brother in Christ. There's no more money left. But hopefully there will be some. I think there will be some dry powder that will be Edvin has said, you're the worst crypto trader of all time. I might be. It is possible. All right, so let's get into the Bitcoin price. Let's check out the Bitcoin price. Let's check it out. All right. 90. So it was doing some interesting stuff here. If we are looking at this $92,000 level, this is a really nice bounce support level. We've established it now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times now as a bouncing support level. So this one's only gotten respected one time, this 88,000. That was the level that we were looking like, okay, if it gets nasty, if it gets super nasty, this is where the price would go. But it's looking like we actually might start to truck up to 111,000, which was the target. This is our target in the month of January. We could actually be in January trading up into this price due to the momentum leading up into the inauguration. You know, it's basically going to be, Max Kaiser said it's like the Sputnik moment, you know, in Bitcoin, where it's kind of like the space race where everyone was racing to get to space and get to the moon or get to, you know, have the, you know, all the different, you know, space programs. And so that it's going to be just like that with crypto, but also kind of with Bitcoin, with setting up strategic reserves, because we know that the supply is limited. So the more that people buy it, the more that people accumulate, then the more that the price is going to appreciate over time, creating the supply and demand mechanism and the supply crunch, and then having Bitcoin be offered now at a massive premium, going into the hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin. So this is why I think in January, it is safe to say that we will have a over $100,000 Bitcoin, but then also going into the inauguration and then them signing on the first day, then we'll see what happens. Yeah, it had been high. Well, mistakes were made. Had been high. Mistakes were made. All right, so let's look at the Pepe chart. This is on Bybit. Now, I wanted to pull up one of these charts real quick. Where did it go? I think we had it reposted, so let's just go to... Hey, I have to be able to make fun of myself. I have to be able to make fun of myself and know that if I can't take my own humor, I will get destroyed and eaten up and chewed up and spit up and eaten alive by these people out here. Because they can try and make fun of me. They can try and tell me that I am this or that, but I will say it'll never be as worse as what I have told myself. Because man, I can be the worst to myself. All right, so this is the chart. This is the chart that I wanted to show you guys. Where's all my Pepe people at? Oh, wait, hold on. I just got this. Oh. Oh, man. Someone messaged on here and said, Dano, we met at the BTC conference and I won the stuff from the meetup. You need to check out Max is buying. This is a prototype AI agent. Oh, man. Headband High. This is right up your alley. This is before it's too late. She's not only an AI agent, but the backbone for, let's see, Orion Chain. Oh, that sounds familiar. Orion Chain and agents.land, Launchpad, 20-ish million. Interesting. All right, well, that's cool. Nice. We're gonna have to check that out. Headband Eyes calling me a normie for wanting to be bullish on Pepe. I can't believe it. What is this? It's like FUD again. Headband High's trying to FUD me out of my Pepe bags for me to just pivot into something different, and then that's when it reaches 125, $1 million billion market cap, and I'll never forgive you. I'll never, ever forgive you. I will throw you into the basket of people like Pro the Doge and all the people saying, sell your Pepe. Don't you dare. No, I know. I can still hold Pepe and buy other stuff, of course. But I think for me, what it is with Pepe, I'll tell you the truth. What it is for me with Pepe is I had the opportunity right in front of my face and it could have been very obvious, but because I wasn't as keen and like up on the Matt Fuhrer narrative of Pepe and Pep, because I was aware of Pepe the Frog. So okay, the Pepe with the hat, but I wasn't. It was like I didn't take it as seriously. Like, no, I don't think very many people did, because it was just the first run of those new memes in 2023. So it was hard to take it seriously and think, okay, if I actually hold this thing and not jump around and crap around and all that stuff and just be like, all right, I'm going to put $1,000 in it and literally call a day and just log off, then it would have done, it would have done so much. That's all I got to say. And that's with a few, it's not just with Pepe, but Pepe could have just been the easiest one. And the easiest one to accumulate too, because it was just like sideways forever. It was just, and then it had a little bit of, it kind of was going like this, and then it was just, and all of a sudden, boom, started to absolutely fly. And now we have Elon posting about Pepe memes constantly, reposting okay, the easiest one. How do you verify that Pepe was the true one? Well, I know that's what I'm saying, Headband. It was right there, but it was 100% battle tested. It was battle tested through all of the FUD, of course. Like it stood now the test of time. But at the same, it was hard. It is 100%. It's kind of like when tokens are like when they have the same name, or there's this one, or oh, that one's the real one, or Pepe coin. There's Pepe coin. People have asked, okay, well, what's the difference between Pepe and Pepe coin? Well, okay, Pepe coin was first, but the project was abandoned, and so then it came back, and now there's like an AI, deal that's linked with it. So, but it hasn't gotten as much market share as what the Pepe ERC20 that we're talking about right now. This one obviously got a lot of the exchange support. It has a lot of whale support, and it has a lot of holders. So it ended up being the one that was the winner. And now it's solidifying itself as one of the top 9th highest traded token out of all tokens, not just meme tokens, but just out of all of the tokens on the market. This particular Pepe token is trading in the 9th spot, which is crazy. If you think about a token and what is traded on the markets right now, that's wild. So let's actually check that out real quick. I don't know what happened to my CoinMarketCap tab, but let's get back on it. And I appreciate you guys coming in today. We're going to stream for till about 12:30. So if you guys have any requests of what you want me to look at, what you want me to chart or pull up on the screen so you can get your favorite coin looked at, we'll check it out. But yeah, it's very interesting if you go to the 24-hour trading volume and you go down, and now actually Pepe is the 7th highest traded token in the whole space. And so for me, the fact that it's now trading over Solana, Dogecoin, BNB, Sui, Cardano, Tron, Chainlink, HBAR, that's fascinating to me. I don't know why, but that makes me want to buy more Pepe. It makes me want to buy more Pepe. It definitely makes me want to continue to stay in the Pepe trade now that we are in some decent profit. Headbin High said stablecoins hit record 250 billion market cap just now. Oh man. All right, yeah, let's check that. Let's check that right now, because that's huge, because I told you guys the stablecoin market is going to be absolutely insane. It's going to be crazy. Where's the stablecoin market chart? Because is it in CoinMarketCap? I don't remember. Stablecoin market. Let me look for it real quick. Market cap. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Top stablecoin tokens by market cap. We have the total market cap being at $211 billion, actually. So that's more than 205. So then let's see the volume. So check this out. This is the volume, and I'm telling you guys, remember I was telling you about the Athena stablecoin? Look at how much volume is starting and market cap is starting to come into the Athena stablecoin. This is starting to get up there. It's at 5.8 billion. So it's starting to get up there with close to DAI. DAI is actually is this by volume? Hold on. Sorry, that's above. Oh, it's above DAI now. Oh, wow. So market cap USDE is actually up there, getting up there close and right up under USDC in terms of market cap. So that's crazy. And I don't know if the Ripple stablecoin, because if you guys are aware that XRP, the reason why XRP was going up so much is because of the bullish news of saying that the SEC, the case was going to be fully dismissed, and then also that they are releasing their stablecoin, the RLUSD, and well, I'll tell you. Okay, Headband High, I'll make you a deal. This is actually what I want to buy for AI tokens. This is what I want to buy for AI tokens. I'm going low market cap. I'm going to go high market cap too, but I'm going to go, this is what I want to buy. I want to buy something like Chain GPT because it's pretty, I feel like it's pretty low, and at its height and what it's capable of doing, I think it could do really well. So Chain GPT, I think it's still pretty low market cap. I think you would agree with that one. And then the other one is AGI, because this one, they've been actually doing the AI agent and building this for a while, Delicium. And this is also, I think, pretty low market cap as well at 150. It's not in like, it's not under 100, but I still think because of, like you would agree, AI is going to get massive speculation into it. So it's just like how the metaverse and crypto gaming in the last cycle, some of these crypto coins and these gaming coins got up to billions of dollars with almost no product. So if these things actually have a decent product and they get, venture capital, they get a grant, wherever it is, they will increase the market cap very much so. And I know there's definitely, there's all this stuff down here, that's under 100 mil that we could check out. Even LimeWire. you guys remember LimeWire? I'm sure you didn't use LimeWire, but they have a token. All right, so Headband is now countering and saying you should check out Virtual's protocol and Hyperliquid are where people are at the moment. Everything else is noise. All right, so Virtuals, and that was the one we were just seeing on, this right here. Is this it? Is this what you're talking about? Yep, Virtuals protocol. Yep, this has been killing it recently. So yeah, in the past 7 days, this thing has gone from a bottom of $3.32 to $4. So this thing is definitely cranking. Virtuals protocol. Let's see what you can get it on. There's an Ethereum contract and also a Base contract. So if you want to trade DEX, you can trade this on the Base network. And the volume is actually really good on Aerodrome Finance at 13 million. So if you want to just trade straight off your wallet DEX, then you can do it on Aerodrome Finance. And actually, speaking of Aerodrome Finance has been gaining a lot of volume, most of the trading volume that is happening on Base is actually happening on Aerodrome, which is great. So Aerodrome as a token might be a good token to hold into 2025 as a DEX DeFi protocol token, along with some of these things that we're mentioning right here, like these AI tokens with the AI agents. And so so and then let's see, what was the other one? Oh, and then Hyperliquid. Okay. So Alpha Beta off Griffin is in AI. Check out in AI when you get a chance. In AI. In AI. Okay, hold on. Let's see. In AI. Is it this one? In AI? Is it a nuclei AI? Oh, okay. It's on Solana. Okay. Let me go to the DEX then. Oh, it's like, okay, so it's like under 10. NAI, and it's on Solana. What's the name? What's the full name? The top one? Okay, it says an AI agent created by Griffin. Oh, okay, so this was using Griffin. Okay, I get it. Okay, interesting. Okay. So I had a nice bearish divergence. Trying to get a nice test back up to all-time highs, so. Go to the Twitter. Automated by Griffin.com. Interesting. All right, yeah, we're gonna go down the rabbit hole. We'll go down the rabbit hole of, I mean, there's so many things with the AI agents. It's insane. It's like I don't even know where to start, but I guess we just start here. But yeah, like I said, for my picks, I'm going for they're a little more higher market cap. Yeah. Yeah, I see how it is. I see what cabal you're in. You're in a little cabal group there, Headband. And I think you've maybe been trying to soft play me into it. I'll join your cabal, but I'm going to tell people immediately. I'll just tell people immediately, hey, I bought this token and I'm going to sell it. But that's what we all want to do. I mean, we all need to be honest with ourselves. Like we want to hold the tokens, but we want to sell to make money. I mean, that's like, at the end of the day, this is a means for financial freedom. Like we're not that's the whole thing. But we love crypto. We'll always be here, but it needs to provide us a means to be able to be set free. And how do you do that? Well, you got to freaking take profits. You got to take profits. All right, well, I don't know if there's just not a lot of people watching crypto content or if it's my algorithm. I don't know. But I think with the amount of subscribers that I do have, I think YouTube should be actually letting people know and putting it in front of their screens. But I don't think they're doing a very good job because it feels like it's just kind of just stifled out. Now, I love all of you that are in here. Don't get me wrong. It's nothing against you. But it seems like something's going on. Don't know what it is. Headband said, "Don't say any smart ass comment, Headband. You say, why don't you just get better? Why don't you just do better content?" I know it's coming. Because that's what most smart asses would say. Well, why don't you just do better? Why don't you just give us more alpha? just give us more alpha, man. Servant of Christ, good question. Said if you had 100 million right now, what would you do crypto wise? Oh, I've got plenty of things. Plenty of things. I'm already cooking. I'm cooking them up right now. But there's always, yeah. I would do it. I would do a ton. Tons of things. But the thing is that even without the 100 mil, I'm still working on these things that I would like to do. So regardless if 100 mil comes in or not, I'm going to do these things. And that's the kind of mindset that I have to have. I hope you guys can have that same type of mindset too, trying to break through the clay, the cement, the crust that can sometimes be just no motivation, or just being stifled, or just feeling like you can't move. Trying to work through that, push through that, and make myself do the thing, make myself do the uncomfortable thing, keep consistent, stay consistent, and ultimately 100 mil or not, we're going to be doing these things. We're building the brand. We know we want to build an amazing platform that new investors can come into and feel. I think ultimately feeling welcome and feeling safe in an environment is what people kind of want whenever they're going into, say, a brand of a thing, and they want to feel good about being associated if they watch said thing. Like, it's like if you're saying like, hey, Joe Rogan or whatever, it's like a podcast, you know, of like, oh, you listen to that podcast. Oh yeah. It's the same with crypto. I mean, it's kind of it's literally the same. Whether you like it or not, people are attributing your personality and how you break down stuff and your thesis on things and how you are observing stuff, and they're going to attribute to, if they're going to be watching you on a regular basis or feeling like they're like, oh, I can agree with that, or just feeling like they can be a part of the conversation, relatability. It's crazy. So that all comes into building this kind of brand, a channel. I've just noticed that. And it really all comes back to the community and how you are with people. If you're real, if people can tell when you're BSing. That's just the thing. Like, people can tell right off the bat if you're BSing. That's why the Harris campaign lost so bad. That's honestly why I think the Harris campaign lost so bad, is because the American people started to see right through the BS and could tell that these people were fake and they're not being real. And so at a point where you just need to just be yourself. And hey, if who you are is kind of not a good person and you're lying and you are misleading, then that's what people will see. Then that's what people will see, and they won't want to watch you. But if you're genuine and you're honest, you tell people when you've made a mistake. You can tell people when, you know, you're being honest. Like, it's just, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, guys, but man, I guess the point I'm trying to make is my goal is to just build an awesome brand, and I want to have a good reputation doing so. Yeah, because I think that's important. First impressions are everything, and your reputation and what you do and how I carry myself going into this, to this business, this ecosystem, I think is very important. And I think some people lose sight of that, and I don't want to be one of those people. And I don't think I have been. And I want to keep that part of who I am and what I'm doing in this channel consistent. And I hope you guys appreciate it, because I really want to make sure that I'm providing good content. It's something that you guys can watch on a consistent basis, and you can say, oh, damn, yeah, I felt like that too. Like, I'm not trying to be like fake. I'm not trying to make it seem like all of this is easy. Like, no, like, if you look at some of the people that have the most success now, because they grinded for like 10 years. They tried like 7, 10, 15 different things maybe. They like had people telling them that they were going to fail, like in their face with spit, going into their eyes, probably saying, you'll never make it. Like, having to battle through all of that that's what you don't see. You just see that they're flying first class or they're doing whatever, and then you're like, but no, you don't you don't understand. Like, you have to battle sometimes, and 90% of people give up when it gets to that point. And that's why there's 90% of the people on average that will live paycheck to paycheck and not break out, because they hit that point and they go, I can't do it, because there is odds against you, 100%. And most of the odds are from you. You are going to have outside stuff battling you, but the biggest battle that you are going to have is with yourself, because you ultimately are going to be the one to choose if you're going to freaking quit or not. And I'll tell you what, I'm not freaking quitting. I'm not quitting. This thing is actually kind of hard to quit because once you understand where you're at, when you start to breaking through with your finances and investing and getting and learning about Bitcoin, crypto, learning about what the Federal Reserve is and how money even works, it's on. It's game on. There's no going back. There's absolutely no going back. LFG. Let's go. That's what I'm saying. Put some Pepes in the chat if you agree. I need some Pepes. You actually have to be a member. You have to be a member of the channel to post these really amazing emojis in here. And we need more members of the channel because then we can have more emojis. So if you would be so kind as to maybe for the holiday season, we get everyone to be members of the channel currently right now. Let's go. Because then you can post the ordinal eye. You can post Neo blocking the bullets from the agents with Bitcoin. You can post the make meme coins great again, Pepe, and the cheeky Doge. But you have to be a member of the channel. And make sure you guys are in the Discord. Like I said, go into the Discord. Check out danocrypto.com. This is where you're going to get exclusive updates. You can see all the things that I am affiliated with. And also, you are going to, pretty soon, you'll see this thing flashing and going, crypto beginners course. And this will be an amazing gift to give to your parents, to your grandma, to Peepaw, to Papa, to Meemaw, Aunt Judy, Uncle Sam, whoever isn't in crypto yet. This would be such a great gift to give them. So very soon we're gonna announce the launch of this course. And like I said, guys, it's a crypto beginners course. It's literally for beginners. So I'm just like holding the hand through. There's gonna be videos of me like showing the wallet and doing and like a video of me sending a transaction from a wallet to an exchange. Like it's literally gonna be like guiding grandma through the process. And I'm telling you, it will be great. There's not a lot of these. I've noticed. I'm surprised that there isn't really that many crypto courses that are just super, just to the point, real easy. And then I'll link up. They're going to link in. I'll have a section in here that all the people that are part of the crypto course will have their own separate, like have a chat in here, have a section to where we can talk and have questions. People that are already part of the Discord can come in and help. Like, just, it's going to be cool. It's going to be a really fun experience. And my philosophy is that if you take too long trying to make it perfect, you'll never do it. And this is my philosophy with everything. When it comes to trying to actually be creative, if you make excuses and say, oh, well, it doesn't look professional enough. Oh, it doesn't look that. Do you realize that Ty Lopez made a video with his phone with books, with just a bunch of books behind him saying knowledge. You got to have knowledge. All these books here, I've read them 1,000 times. You got to have knowledge. And then it just linked you and funneled to another section of videos of him talking about how you need knowledge and to read. People paid money for that. And because it was funneled, then he scaled upon that and probably made a better course or made a better thing that looked better, maybe had a better thing. But that's literally how it started. So how most things can start. So I can't do that to myself. So I'm going to look, I'm going to release the course. Maybe it's not perfect. Maybe it's at its beginning stages. But when people start to buy it, which they will, then it will start to then build up from there. And you can use that concept of how to not block yourself from starting something because you don't have the right camera or you don't have the whatever. I'm using my iPhone right now as a camera. Do I have a fancy DSL camera, SLR camera? A Sony 4K? No, but I can do my live streams. I can do content because I have something. I have the stuff that I need to be able to do it. Don't make excuses. I'm talking to myself too. Don't make excuses. The more you keep making the excuses, you'll never do it. You'll always think, oh, it's gotta blah, 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 blah. Nope. Stop it. You stop that right now. Am I a crypto pro? You know what? I've always thought about this, and I'm never going to call myself a crypto pro because there's so much to learn with crypto that it's like there's just so much. There's like staking, and there is DeFi, and I mean there's so much stuff. So no, I'm not a crypto pro because I'm constantly learning all the time. So the moment you think you know, like there's always something new. So but I think the fact that I'm in crypto, testing stuff out, learning the networks, I've kind of dipped my toe into different aspects of crypto. You know, I've gone to the conferences. Yeah, I'm like a crypto enthusiast. I wouldn't call myself a crypto pro, but if someone wants to call me that, go right ahead. I mean, sweet. But yeah, I think, yeah, crypto enthusiast. Yeah. Yeah, all you really need is 720. Yeah, I mean, well, the thing is the moment if you try and be the smartest guy in the room in crypto, that's when you lose. Because think about it. Then if you're the smartest guy in crypto, you would never accept Pepe. You would never accept meme coins because that's too dumb, right? Like that doesn't make sense. That why would that make sense? And then you realize that you want to just do the most like autistic ADHD, ADD, like Ritalin decision, and that's actually what makes you the most money. Like if you bought ticker Bitcoin, like that's the most schizo thing you could ever do in crypto is buy ticker Bitcoin, and that would do you better than buying something like Cosmos, you know. Some people will convince you Cosmos is the future. It's the way of omni-chain, cross-platform omni-chainness. Cosmos, bro. And you're like, but then I could just buy ticker Bitcoin. Make people's heads spin when I tell them the actual name. And the origins of the backpack. The backpack story. It's pretty fascinating. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, just wait for the tax story. Yeah, I don't want to wait. Yeah, let's not talk about taxes, guys. Let's just like keep all that to ourselves. We all know that we have to pay the tax man. It's just how you're going to do it. Let's see if We're trying to see if our trades are surviving. Okay. They're surviving. The trades are surviving. Speaking of ticker Bitcoin, we actually have a ticker Bitcoin trade open. It's down. But we're looking at ticker Bitcoin. Point of control actually is sitting at 24 cents. So if we can just not break down any lower, that would be nice. We get a nice 40% move to the upside. Point of control here, nice volume nodes. If we could easily trade up to these levels. These are nice established levels. It's literally at 17 cents. It's so cheap right now. But yes, no, I do. It's crazy. I remember, yeah, I should have been buying way more down here. This is the 4 hour, but then this is on OURBIT. So they listed ticker Bitcoin here in October. And it actually listed at 30 cents. It listed at 30 cents, which is crazy. Traded up to 37 cents. It traded up to 39 cents. It got really close. Or close to 39. That's our target, was 39 cents. Was like, okay, this could be the goal zone, 39 cents. But now we just have to see if we can trade back up into the 20 cent range, which I think would be easy. I think 22 cents here in the short term could be easily achieved. Just need that nice W pattern here. Hit the point of control. Get into this little area, this little pocket right there. And if we're hitting there, take profit 20. Ticker Bitcoin goes to the inevitable $10, then if we're holding this trade, that's good. But no, we're going to 22 cents. 22 cents. So that's decent. That's decent profit. I would say it would be good to take some profit probably at that level. You're going long right now. 19 to 20, 22 cents around in this range would be good profit taking areas. Establish support at some of these levels. 19 cents, 20 cents, and 22 cents. 22 cents could get us to back into the 30s. You see this pattern? We went zoop, zoop, zoop. So if we hit here, could do something like that. We will see. We'll see what happens. Then also with Brett, we're seeing the same thing here, that we could get a push up on back into this resistance level right here at 19 cents. Which moving average? This is the 200. It's mega under the 200, which it needs to just get back up into the 16 cents rate. This is what I want right here. 16 cents. 16 cent Brett. We were just there. We literally were just there. We were there not that long ago. On the 12th. 10th, then up to 19 cents on the 12th. Then we got smacked. But this is a great opportunity for accumulation. I got the trades back open. We're back in. We're back in the saddle. I'm back. I'm back in saddle again. I'm back. I'm back in saddle again. That's when Bitcoin caught my eye. I love that song. That's a good song. Aerosmith is groovy. Think about Aerosmith, like there's some tasty grooves. Very tasty. All right, like I said, guys, we will be posting some AI content videos. We're gonna do the big market cap. We're gonna do high market cap and low market cap, and we'll break them down and we'll show you the upside potential for every single one of them. We'll say, look, here's the a realistic case scenario of where these coins could go and how the supply is. We'll try and get real in the weeds with that. We're probably honestly going to build a spreadsheet, and we're going to break down things like, render token and near protocol. Then we're going to go into the low market cap stuff, like we said, like Delicium and ChainGPT, and just kind of see what the growth potential is. Where they were in the past, how they were able to trade, when, and how the charts looked at those points. And I think that'd be a really good video, informative video. And so we'll be working on that through the week for sure. We'll probably get that video out probably midweek. We'll see how the work week is going, and we'll get all of that content together. So I think it'd be fun. And it'd be nice and informative for ourselves and our own research to build up some of our AI bags, because they're a little low. Definitely need the AI bags built up. But we're always trying to get more Bitcoin. But with all of that being said, guys, thank you so much for popping in. We do appreciate you. And I don't know, is there anything else you guys want to know about? I know we had this poll up. We got 18 votes. Do we pump to 100K BTC from here? We have 44% saying yes. We got 22% saying no. And we had 33% actually say, don't care, I hold Pepe. Awesome. All right. Well, guys, we're not going to be doing a live stream later. We might. I don't know. You guys gotta post on. This is what you gotta do. You gotta go on the Discord. You gotta go into the Hangout and chat, and you gotta post some memes. Post some memes, or go in Meme City. Post some memes and say, yes, we'd like you to live stream. And also go into Dano Crypto at Dano Crypto 904, and then post some really funny memes. Screenshot my picture and cut my face out and put me in a really funny scenario. And just say, yes, we'd like you to stream. So, that's what I'd like for you guys to do. That would be super cool. Get the engagement going. Like had been said, max engage with Dano. Well, right now, awesome. It looks like we had a nice little group on X. So shout out to all the people that are watching on X right now. Remember, if you are watching on X, you can send a message to me. I will see it immediately. It will pop up on the screen, and I can reply to you, and we can have this thing be as interactive as possible. So we always are trying to do is keep a good communication between you guys and the live chat. All right, so can't talk anymore. Don't even know if I'm speaking English. But Happy New Year, guys. I know we had kind of a crazy year. It's been a crazy couple of years, I will say. But if anything, the best thing that I can say is you guys are going to be so rich next year. Do you know that? You're going to be so rich. And you're going to accomplish all of your goals. That's all I got to say. All right. Love you all. Peace out. If I stream later, I stream later. If I don't, I don't. But I'll see you guys on the other side of 2024, going into a bullish 2025. Peace out, guys.